Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of center rotational motion. The question is two particles of masses 100 gram and 300 gram at a given time have positions 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap and minus 6i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap meter respectively and velocities 10 I cap minus 7 j cap minus 3 k cap and 7 I cap minus 9 j cap plus 6 k cap meter per second respectively. Determine the instantaneous position and velocity of center of mass. So first of all we write down what is given to us. Given M1 is equals to 100 gram, that is equals to 10 the power minus 1 kg, and M2 is equals to 300 gram, that is equals to, we can write 10 the power minus 1 kg or 0.1 kg, and this is 0.3 kg. Now position vector of first object is 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap, and position vector of second particle is minus 6i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Velocity vector of first particle is 10i cap minus 7j cap minus 3k cap, and velocity vector of second particle is 7i cap minus 9j cap plus 6k cap meter per second. Here also meter per second, this is in meter. Now we see solution for this question. The position vector for center of mass is given by r is equals to m1 r1 plus m2 r2 divided by m1 plus m2. So r is equals to m1 is 0.1 into 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap plus 0.3 into minus 6i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap whole divided by 0.1 plus 0.3. On solving this, we get this is minus 16 I cap plus 17 J cap plus 7 K cap divided by 4 meter. Now we see for velocity. Velocity of center of mass is given by m1 v1 plus m2 v2 divided by m1 plus m2. Therefore, v is equals to 0.1 into 10 I cap minus 7 J cap minus 3 K cap plus 0.3 into 7 I cap minus 9 J cap plus 6 K cap divided by 0.1 plus 0.3. On solving this, we get V is equals to velocity of center of mass is equals to 31 I cap minus 34 J cap plus 15 K cap divided by 4. So what is our answer? The answer will be position vector of center of mass is equals to minus 16 I cap plus 17 j cap plus 7 k cap divide by 4, and velocity vector of center of mass is 31 I cap minus 34 j cap plus 15 k cap divide by 4 meter per second, and here it is meter. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.